Accelus DR92, a durable closed-shoulder drive tire. Designed and built specifically for North American long-haul and regional requirements. Its wide, four-belt construction evenly distributes the vehicle load, resulting in increased performance and removal mileage. A closed-shoulder drive tire with an ideal lug-to-void ratio ensuring optimal tire footprint contact and driver comfort. Its integrated tread blocks with tie bars improve performance and lateral stability. Large tread blocks, lateral grooves result in superior wet and dry traction. Accelus DR92, backed by a strong warranty for 6 years and up to 2 retreads. Accelus DR92, a product of the latest technology and over 50 years of tire manufacturing experience. Accelus DR92, a high-performance closed-shoulder drive tire for regional long-haul applications.